Good morning class 4 students. Welcome back to online class. So this is your computer class. So today all of you open your computer book and open your book at page number 11. So today we will learn a new chapter. The name of the chapter is Input Output Device. Input Output Device. Okay. So let's start the passage. Listen to me very carefully, okay? Introduction. Input output devices are required for user to communicate with the computer. In simple terms, input device bring information in to the computer and output devices bring information out of a computer system. So these input-output devices are also known as peripherals since they surround the CPU and memory of a computer system. The devices which are used to input the data and programs in the computer are known as input devices. Or input device can read data and convert them to a form that a computer can use. Output device can produce the final product of machine processing into a form usable by humans. It provides man-to-machine communication. Now look at the board. Input device. What is input? Input is the data or information. Input is the data or instruction that we enter into the computer through input device. For example, keyboard. So keyboard is an input device. We can type letters, numbers, etc. into the computer. Okay. So this is called input. So some of example of input device are keyboard, mouse, line pen, etc. Okay. So this is input device. Now next, output device. Output means suppose entering the data into the computer, after that it is processing in CPU. So CPU is the brain of computer, so it is processing in CPU and then we get the result from output device. For example, monitor. We get the result on monitor. আমরা মনিটরের মধ্যে কি রেজাল্টটা দেখতে পাই। তুমি যা কিছু টাইপ করছো কিবোর্ডের সাহায্যে কম্পিউটারে যাচ্ছে, সেটা মেশিনে সিপিইউতে প্রসেসিং হচ্ছে এন্ড দেন তারপর আমরা কোথায় দেখতে পাচ্ছি? মনিটরের মধ্যে আমরা কি সেই রেজাল্টটাকে দেখতে পাচ্ছি। সো মনিটর ইজ অ্যান আউটপুট ডিভাইস। ইজ দ্যাট ক্লিয়ার? ইনপুট ডিভাইস অ্যান্ড আউটপুট ডিভাইস। ওকে, নেক্সট, some of the input output device are explained below. So input device, for example, keyboard input device, scanner, digital camera, mouse, light pen, joystick, touch screen. So these are input device. Okay, next, output devices, monitor, plotter, LCD, speaker, printer. Okay, so these are output devices. Understand? Okay. Now come to the next page. Input devices, keyboard. So now we will discuss about keyboard. Okay. So keyboard is an input device. So which is used to type letters, numbers, etc. It is text-based input device that allow the user to input letter, numbers and other character. It consists of a set of keys. So there are many keys on the keyboard. Okay, do you know how many keys? So there are total 104 keys. Understand? Okay, now alphanumeric keypad. It consists of keys for English alphabet, 0 to 9 numbers and special character like plus, minus, slash, first bracket, second bracket, etc. Function keys. So there are how many function keys are there on the keyboard? So there are 12 function keys on the keyboard. So enter key it is similar to return key of the typewriter and it is used to execute a command or program. So it is next spacebar key, you have already known about spacebar key. So it is used to enter a space at the cursor current cursor location, and backspace key, this key is used to move the cursor one position to the left and also delete the character in the position. Next key, delete key, it is used to delete the character at the cursor position. So this is your PW up to delete key, okay, up to PW delete key, okay. এই delete key পর্যন্ত তোমরা ভালো করে টপিক গুলো পড়বে, ওকে। রিড দ্য টপিক ভেরি কেয়ারফুলি ফ্রম introduction, input output device and up to keyboard delete key, okay. Now please take out your notebook. I will give you PW. PW 5 times. PW 5 times. What do you mean by input device? Now write answer. Input devices. Write the answer. The devices which are used to input data and programs in the computer are known as input devices. Okay. What do you mean by input devices? The devices which are used to input data and the programs the computer are known as input devices. Okay. So write the answer in your notebook in 5 times. Okay. So that's all for today. Thank you so much.